In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Squarespace invoice in just 5 minutes. Whether you're checking expenses for your business or organizing your personal accounts, accessing your billing information is essential. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily locate your invoice whenever you need it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the main Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Squarespace, then press Enter. Once you're on their homepage, you'll clearly notice a button labeled Get Started. Clicking this button will guide you into the main environment of Squarespace. After clicking Get Started, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website. From here, you can manage all aspects of your site, including design, content, and of course, billing. Now, let's focus on locating those invoices. Look towards the left side of your screen and find the Settings option. It's typically represented by a gear icon, making it easy to spot. Clicking Settings will open up a menu with various options that help manage the back end of your site. Within the Settings menu, find and select the Billing section. The Billing area is where all financial and payment operations are housed. Once inside, you'll see an option called Invoices. Click on Invoices to reveal a comprehensive list of all invoices associated with your Squarespace account. Here, you can view detailed information about each invoice, including the date it was issued, the amount, and any services or subscriptions it pertains to. This section provides full visibility of your financial transactions through Squarespace, making it an invaluable tool for tracking your expenses and ensuring everything is in order. If you need to download an invoice for your records, most browsers allow you to right-click and choose Save As to your local device, ensuring you have offline access as well. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating to your Squarespace invoices. Remember, maintaining a clear record of your financial details is crucial for both personal management and professional accountability. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher or share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best in managing your Squarespace account effectively.